Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2810e. I'm going to show you how to load the paper. So I got A4 paper here. To load paper, you just need to go at the back and stick the paper you want to use. Okay. So this is how to load A4 paper. If you want to load photo paper, you need to take this one off. Now, this is 5x7 photo paper. Now with this printer, you need to make sure the glossy part facing upwards, so the smooth area or shiny part need to face you. Okay, so then you go in, then adjust it. So this is how to load photo paper 5x7. So the same thing is applicable if you want to load 4x6 photo paper. Like I said earlier, shiny parts, glossy part facing up, okay, facing you. Then you go in, okay, then you can print out your photo. Okay, you can print photo from mobile phone or your laptop, but you need to make sure that this shiny part is facing you, so that when you want to print out, this will go in and print straight away. But it depends on particular printer you are using. As far as HP Deskjet printer is concerned, the paper need to face you. Okay, thank you very much and stay blessed.